Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's recipe is really simple, which is a bakery style biscuit recipe. I hope you guys are gonna love it because the recipe is so simple and the biscuit turned out to be so good that you will stop buying them from the bakery. So let's head to the recipe. Here I've taken 2 egg yolks, only the yellow part of the egg, and then I've took half cup of sugar and I'm just gonna mix it together. The normal sugar that we use in home, which is granulated. When the color starts changing to white, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter into it and we're gonna mix it well until it gets smooth. Here you can see that the butter has incorporated into the eggs and sugar very well. At this point we will add baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You can skip it, it's not really compulsory ingredient. We're gonna mix it well. After that we're gonna be adding flour. So here you're gonna add the flour gradually by looking at the texture of the dough. We don't want super hard dough, we want it to be soft. So in total I added 6 tablespoons of flour. It should be smooth enough to get us some good shaped biscuits. Shouldn't be breaking in the process, and it shouldn't be too hard either. So here you can see that the dough is really smooth and I am able to give it a shape of a ball. So here I've taken some ground peanuts and 2 egg whites of the eggs that I used earlier. So I've separated the egg whites and the egg yellows. So here I'm just using the egg whites. We're gonna whisk it a little bit. Here you're gonna put the butter paper in your tray. You're gonna give your biscuits a round shape, the dough. You can give the shape that you want, but here I'm giving it a round shape. Then I'm coating only one side of the biscuits in the peanut because the bottom should not have any peanuts, so that we can see the red color from the bottom, because that's when we'll stop baking it. So here I'm just gonna be giving different shapes, some just like flat biscuits and some I'm just gonna give them this round shape. Since they have butter inside, it's gonna melt a little bit, so try to keep a little distance between the biscuits. So after this we're gonna bake it at 180 degrees temperature and your biscuits will be ready. Just make sure that the biscuits bottom is red. When the bottom gets red, it means your biscuits are ready now. Don't overcook it, because then that way it might get a little harder. You can turn the oven from the top to give it a red color, but even like this they're entirely cooked if you just cook it from the bottom. So you can see that the biscuits are perfectly ready. You will see some cracks on top of it, which gives us a symbol that yep, they are now entirely baked. So I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to help it grow, and follow for more easy videos. Here before we finish, I just wanted to let you know that you can be creative with your biscuits. For example, in this one, instead of putting a peanut in the middle, I put some jam. So you can just do the thing that you want to do with your own biscuits, because you can always experiment with the food. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.